Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. मेरा नाम है यज्ञेश पटेल and in this video we are going to discuss about the levels for the next trading session that is 18th of June. जी हाँ दोस्तों, जैसे हम देख पा रहे हैं कि आज के ट्रेडिंग सेशन में एक बहुत ही नैरो रेंज में हमको एक ट्रेडिंग देखने को मिला. दिस इज अ स्पॉट प्राइस ऑफ निफ्टी बैंक इंडेक्स and we have seen a very small body in the candle but very high wicks, or we can say shadow of the candles. It means huge momentum has been seen in during the day, but end of the trading session market just closed near the open price. So that's how after a 2 to 3 trading sessions of high volatility we observe a sideways momentum in today's trading session. So let's find out the levels which we have marked yesterday for today's trading session, how they act and work in today's trading session. So this has been observed that in the morning beginning we have seen small gap down, and after that there is a nice hammer candlestick pattern formed near important support which we have marked around 19,940, and we have seen a nice upside momentum here. So this is a nice candlestick formation and we have seen good momentum upside. And after that, the market has been in a sideways for so long, and at the around the afternoon 1 p.m. 1:30 p.m. it has tested the previous trading session high resistance, and price rejection has been observed at this level. So which is a very nice signal for the bearish momentum. And if we convert this to the 15-minute time frame, so we have observed that a very good candlestick reversal shooting star pattern formed on a 15-minute time frame, and we have seen a very nice momentum lower side. So this could be your trade in maybe futures or maybe in Bank Nifty options. I will show you one option trade which performed well in this move. So here it's a 20,200 put option which comes around near 240 level, and the high form it's around 322. So almost 240 to 300 and plus in a few minutes, in couple of minutes. So this how this put option has performed very well in Bank Nifty this fall. So now convert it to the 5 minutes lower time frame to exactly find the levels where the demand and supply zone has been created. So now let's mark the levels for the next trading session. So first we are going to mark the important levels as high as resistance. So this is a high 20,620, and low as informed here. This is the low in the beginning. Market couldn't test this level in the throughout the day. So 19,980 is the important low, and the pink line denotes high and low of today's trading session. So there's how 20,624 is the important high and 19,980 is low. We have marked as support and resistance for the next trading session. Now find out which is the best possible area where Nifty and Bank Nifty, Bank Nifty and taken support and resistance in today's trading session and yesterday's trading session. So the first we will find the area of support which is comes around this area 19,600 because of this panic low. Okay, we have seen a very nice panic bottom formation here. So we will going forward to watch out this level because this is an important area. If this test area of 19,640, if it is testing again in coming days from here or from here, then might possible it will break also this level. So, and if it is not breaking out this level, we have still this much of room to go down. So that's how this area we are going to mark as an important support, 19,634, or you can say 19,650 as a round number. Now we are going to mark the important resistance, which is comes around 20,500 level. Because of this, first I will mark the level. $19,525. Now we can see there is a price rejection happened here, along with here also. Again here also price go up, but breaking about this level, and again here price rejection happened. So 20,525 is an important resistance for Nifty Bank Index for next trading session. So now we're going to mark the level for the Nifty Index. So we can see there we have marked the levels, important support and resistance exactly at the this is the opening price. Market has been into the range and trying to go above this resistance zone, but unable to cross, and again price rejection happen here. You can say this is a rejection of price and Nifty Index falls sharply. कुछ इस तरीके से हमको मूवमेंट देखने को मिला. So it could be आप ट्रेड कर सकते थे फ्यूचर्स में या फिर वीकली ऑप्शंस के थ्रू. So now we are going to mark the levels for this Nifty index also. So this is a 10,000 is today's high is in around 10,002. And 10,000 is round figure number also and psychological resistance also. So that's how the exactly high has been created at this level. And the low which has been formed here in today's position is 9834. Now we are going to mark the area of support, which is nearer to this panic low. The logic I have just described you. So 9743, 9750, 9740, important support for Nifty index spot basis. An important resistance is comes around 10,045. Because of this 10,000 higher round figure number, and exactly the highs has been created around this zone. So I have just marked the level of 10,045. So these are the levels for the next trading session, which you need to look out and focus on important candlesticks near this zone, the level which we have marked. If you like this analysis, please hit the like button and do subscribe my channel. I'm Yagnesh Patel signing off. Wait for my next video. Thank you so much.